so they can share their thought about the students. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we can share a problem as a student, but there are also few persons, they might have been working more than 3 and 4 months from their home, but before that they haven't worked at their home, so still they are facing
Mm-hmm.
some problems some problems in terms of just because of kids, just because of child, and also when he works at home. So if they are working their actual time, if they are doing their actual task, maybe someone is calling them or someone is disturbing, and it happens most of the time when we do something online, like now we are doing. Okay, and also a person who is just preparing their competitive exam or just studying, like what I have faced, not every day, but at least once or twice in a week, I have to go outside. I mean, just because of my, just for my family work. I mean, definitely if we are at home, we have some family's work that we have to do as an elder one, right? We can't deny that all the time. I mean, a few work no one can do, only we can do. So that's why I have faced even sometime a few little distraction, not lot distraction, a little distraction. So we will discuss all about it today. Okay. So you can start. I think you can put both points of view. First of all, as a working people and as a student also. That's because you are teaching students also. So yeah.
Yeah. So, firstly, I would like to share some points regarding to how can we tackle our life in this pandemic or in this lockdown, because we are not saying that only for studying purpose. We can say if you do anything, so there are something new for us. It's an unprecedented situation for us, because not only for lockdown, but also we have been facing this pandemic. It's also a unprecedented situation. It's a new thing for us, as well as and confine ourselves at home and we can't go outside. So it's completely different scenario of our life. But you know that every cloud has a silver line. So through them we can say that we can learn something. We have more time. First thing is the time. In this time we have lots of time, so we can utilize it for learning anything. But another thing, like we have to make a schedule that how can we utilize that time. But you know, some people, they just wasted their time. They just binging on Netflix. They have watching some cartoons, animes, or anything. They just wasting their time. But secondly, I know that there are some people, they have learned something. They have become a good person in their life, because before lockdown they are a ordinary people, but now they have learned some new skills. So it is really a good thing for us. But the thing is that sometimes you know that we think that we have no any kind of pressure something, because mostly people, they are students, so they have their parents, so they give them food, they give them shelter, so we have no any kind of responsibility, no any kind of problem. But as a person, we have to know that if we think there are lots of businessmen, they really suffered in this time. But as a student, we have to know that if we do, we can rectify ourselves, we can improve our grades in the future examination. But the thing is, as a worker or as a student, you know that you can say it's an unprecedented situation, and it's also depend on our thinking. And another thing, the best part of it, that we have a good chance to live with our family members. We can talk with them, we can learn something through them. And that's it, because otherwise we have to go outside every time, especially for evening time. Whenever we have time, we go for chill out with our friends. But in this time we can do, as well as we can set at least one skill. We should have learned at least one skill on that time, because it's a good time. We should have learned, not I'm saying that any skills, any game, anything which you like and which is helpful for you in down the line. So that's my views. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Shiven. Okay. Shiven. Okay, Mr. Solomon. Now you can share your point of view. Unmute yourself. You are on a mute.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
first of all, good evening to all. You know, The topic is really good during the lockdown period, how the students would get to learn by themselves. So whether it is a lockdown, whether they stay in home or in a hostel, no, they will have to particularly allot a time to study. So whether it is a lockdown or not, they'll have to find a special time for studying their subject, isn't it? So
Mhm.
lockdown, I don't think so. Where it affects the students' study and other things, but they could find a lot of time during lockdown time. But a lot many things are to be considered. So no colleges, no schools. So at that time, even students need not study themselves also. But however, to be get in touch with your subject, they'll have to just read the things, so they get a lot of time. Even if they just read the book, they could get all these things, as he said, this is an unprecedented thing. However, they could find a lot of time to study their subject, personally their subjects.
Okay.
I think
Yeah.
this is
Mhm.
my point of view.
And what do you think about work from home? They are also facing some problems. People who are
Yeah,
working
really.
from
See,
home,
when
according to
you
you.
say work from home means so normally, uh, see, if you go to company and work from the company means you have a limited time, some 8 hours or some other thing, But
Mhm.
when your work from home means so many apps have come, TeamViewer, WebEx and Google Meet, so many things. So as far as myself is concerned, our company, we have created in one group meet. So time is not at all a boundary for us. Even
Mhm.
10 o'clock, 10 p.m. at night. So 10 at night, we will call
Yeah.
on a meeting. We will call on a meeting. So work from home means so it actually grab more than 8 hours work. The thing is that we are at the home. We are at the home. So people would think like that. We are at home, but working. I mean, the working hours and the effort we are doing is more than that what we were when in company.
Yeah.
Got that point?
Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got your point. Exactly.
Mm.
That's great. Okay, Kajal.
Yes, yes, hello.
Yeah.
Okay, about my point of view, as in this lockdown, it's very difficult to balance um, our study during lockdown only. So the time which lockdown has given to us, it's very precious. We all need to understand it, and most of the people, they have understood it, and still they are working on it. So in this period, everyone, I would say each and every person, they can recognize their self, that what are the qualities hidden there inside. They can come up with some good ideas, and they can build some good habits, and it will be more productive for them, and they can do some relevant things, so which can maintain their study. Because during the lockdown means for 21 days, people, after 21 days, people get habituated with this thing doesn't matter for them that there is lockdown or not. After that, they were habituated, and they were easily able to do each and everything. And about you're talking about those people who are working as their home, so means they people, what can they do? They just need to maintain their environment, because when you change your environment, at the time you are able to focus on your work. Because sometimes, if I talk about myself, being a girl, I need to do chores, and I need to look at everything, and I have to focus or also at my work. So we just need to be more productive, and you need to set up your study, that how you are going to do work. So when you change your environment, automatically the positivity or that thing gives you the result. And you just need to be focus yourself, and because this is very much precious time, and you can come up with good ideas, and you can think of so many things. Like we can also tackle with the problems, And what else I can say about it?
Yeah, okay. You can add few points whenever you remember those points. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Monty.
Yeah. Hello, guys.
Yeah, you are
So,
audible.
in my, yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
So, in my point of view, I think some of the persons can easily set up their timetable to study because it is very easy to give the excuses. Like I'm just giving the example of those students who are just free now, who don't have any work. They have the work of only study, and also they don't utilize their work in any other activities. So they have to focus, and also they have to set their timetable for study. And we can say that the in this lockdown some of the persons have to do different work. They have to do the part-time job also nowadays because there were so unemployment in our country nowadays. So they have to set up their timetable because we can't make excuses. We can't compromise with the study because if you want to crack any exam or if you want to do anything good in life, so you have to give your time in that activity, whether you are giving the time in sports activity or study. So I think you have to give the you have to utilize your time and give the time to that activity in which you want to be fleshed out. And students, I think for the students nowadays what happened, the online classes were going on, so they have the time. And I'm just talking about the BA students because I am doing BA, so I have only 2 3 classes, so I have more than enough time for doing self study, or I can utilize my work in any other field of life. And so it depends on the person that how can he utilize, but what he have to do, I think he had the time, so it depends totally on him also.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, even it's true. As a student, if we are outside at that time, also we have a lot of distraction. It is only us who make our time better, or if we are in a discipline, then we can study. No matter we are
Yeah,
at home or and I think at home we are in a good place. Like Nabil told, if we are outside, so we have so many things to do. And like Mr. Solomon has also mentioned that if we are at home, we can do anything at any time. Now we don't have a time limit that we have to study at 8 p.m. or we have to go college at 3 p.m. Whenever you want to study, you can
yeah,
study at your own comfort. I mean, through online study, definitely.
yeah.
So
It's totally depend on the person that which work he prefer most. Because if take an example of Hannibal, if he is sleeping 6 hours or 7 to 8 hours, so it's totally depend on him. And then later he said that, "Ah, I don't have the time." So he have to reduce his time of sleeping if he want to study or if he want to utilize his time. And we in this lockdown period we have a lot of example of the students or the children of the vendors. They were doing simultaneously two works. Also they were selling their vegetables, fruits, and although they were studying online also there only on the shops. So I think they have also the option that they can excuse, they can give the excuse, but no, they're just doing their work. They want it to be brighter and brighter, I think.
Yeah, I don't know about this Monty's place. So as far as our place is concerned, Tamil Nadu, lockdown is followed. Lockdown was followed very strictly. So I cannot go out of my home, and even no, all the shops were closed. So and all the company closed. So all the if you need some essentials, the street vendor would come to your street and he will sell something. So that is also some particular time, 10 to 12 or 9 to 12, like that one. You cannot go out of your home during the lockdown time. How can I don't know? I don't know. I don't understand how the people would get a part-time job over there in lockdown time. So I don't think it's a it may differ from place to place, or how the
yeah,
government impose the lockdown to the different state. I don't understand. So lockdown period means all people should have been there in their home itself, they can manage the time according to their wishes. So even you can get up at 12 no, night, and you can study up to 5 or 6. After that, you can
Yeah.
sleep all the daytime. You see, my son used to do that like that. Now he is living a life as if he is in America. You know, all the daytime he is sleeping. Now the nighttime only he is working. So the time has been changed. So that was the situation here. But I don't understand where the lockdown has been imposed in Moji's place.
Yeah, and it depends place to place. Like just before a few days, I have heard in your Tamil Nadu there are every single day around 1,000 to 1,200 cases is coming, is still coming. I mean, in your Tamil Nadu state. If you will talk about my MP or maybe the district, we don't have much more cases. So now, even in my place, in my MP, and where I actually live, we can go easily outside. Yeah, definitely we need some precautions like mask and sanitizer. But from that, we can go anytime. And also, there is no lockdown of Sunday and Saturday that was due to just before 3 and 4 weeks ago. So and
So you
also
people were gifted, I think. You people were gifted, I think. So during lockdown time, so people were not allowed to go out. Very strictly
No,
followed.
yeah, okay.
actually, during lockdown means, as I am living in Delhi, so here what used to happen means hawker used to come, and due to unemployment as well, so most of the people they just start working as a hawker only, and simultaneously they were working for their study and this work as well. So how would they get money? Means there would means time
They don't
limit
have
was
any
there,
option.
that yes, they have to go for means for 10 to 12, and then after that means they were not allowed to go outside.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay, we will talk after a few minutes about it just because we have enough time. So, Shivam, are you there? Shivam,
Hello,
unmute yourself. Bro. Yeah, you are
hello.
audible.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
I want.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Shivam.
Okay, so through in the student should treat the lockdown period as an opportunity. Okay, so they can study more and more, and can and make use of their time. Okay, because for studying well, they and what they can do, they should make a separate room for their studies, and they should not treat the lockdown treat themselves as a victim of the lockdown, because this thing is common to all. Okay, so if they will face some doubts and doubts and other things, then they can ask to their friends. With that, they can help each other, and that will also be act as a source of entertainment for them. And when they will start study, they can keep their gadgets which are not usable at that time away from them. Otherwise they will be act as a source of disturbance for them. Okay, and what they can do, that they should not think more that when the lockdown will open and other things, because the thing will not change if we will think more. That will totally disturb our mind, and we will not focus on our studies. And we should
Yeah,
spend more and more time with our parents, and if sometimes you need any motivation, then you should look after your parents. That will act as a source of mm, motivation for you.
yeah. Okay. All right. Kajal, you wanted to make any point at that time?
Yes. I was saying that
Yeah.
during the lockdown, as most of the people they were not valuing their time, and they were just going in stress, because it has changed our lives in very, I would say, immensely because we are not able to go outside. But before the lockdown, our life was something else only. We used to go outside and we used to do fun as well. Study as well, means everything we were doing. But since this lockdown has came, so people, they just start taking stress because they were not doing anything. So it took too much time to come overcome from that. And still most of the people, as Nabil has shared, that the people are just watching TV, Netflix, and they are just doing other things which are really useless for us somewhere. And we are
Mhm.
not doing productive things which we can which means those can things can help us in reality. But if we go for a study and if we utilize this time, so this time will give us good result. We can get good output from it. But hardly people are means not able to understand. So